Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look on a convenient way to put the external microphone to GoPro Hero 9. As to begin, I want to mention that as you probably know, the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the previous generations do support the external microphone, but those cameras do not have built-in 3.5mm jack to connect external microphone, for example, like this one. It's Rode video microphone, Rode video micro, sorry. So to connect this kind of microphones to GoPro, you need the adapter, which called 3.5 Pro mic adapter, and it has on the one end USB-C cable, which you connect to port on GoPro itself, and on the other side you have USB-C cable for charging and 3.5mm port to connect the external microphone. But obviously when you connect adapter to GoPro, it seems a little bit clumsy and it's not convenient way to bring all this with you and take it in your hands, I don't know. So this case, there are a lot of cases out there for the sale which can offer you the convenient way to mount the microphone adapter and microphone itself on your GoPro camera. In this video we will discover this case, which called plastic cage for GoPro 9 model G9-4 from Chinese manufacturer Ulanzi. They producing a lot of video and photo accessories, and I have to admit they're pretty much good quality. So this case, I have the plastic version. I will put the link to this product in the video description, but you can also buy the metal version, which will be more durable if you need it. So just put the cover aside. Inside we have some paperwork, some stickers, and this case itself is plastic. Put it here. Let's just put all of this aside here, and also cover for the GoPro lens. Yeah. So just first of all, before mounting the GoPro in this cage, we have to take off the protection cover from GoPro. It's quite easy to do. Just open it and hold here. Don't be afraid. Just detach, and that's all. So here we have the mounting space for GoPro itself. Just here at the bottom, slide it here. Sure. Here, you can put GoPro here and slide this button here to open the side window. Yeah, here. It's quite a nice quality, so it was so hard for me to open this. Here on the top we have two shoe mounts, which you can detach if you want, and it will be one. But if you want, use the two accessories at the time. For example, the microphone and the light, I will show you. So you should use this double shoe mount adapter. And here we have the lens cover, which allows us to put some filters on the GoPro lens, and on the bottom GoPro standard mount. So let's go ahead, put the camera here, then we close inside, close back. Here in this section we'll insert the microphone adapter itself, first with the cable. Put cable in that hole, slide in here, and it sits kind of good, not falls off. Just then we put the adapter here in the mic USB-C port here. So here we have access to USB-C port for charging and connecting the microphone. Yes, so just let's put our mic on the top. Yes, like this, and then connect the microphone to adapter here. Yeah, As you see, it's all original cable from Rode Video Micro, and they not making an obstacles for the GoPro main display here. But if you will use the filter on this case, it will cover a little bit the front screen, so you can just take it off and put, when you're not using the microphone. Over here we also have the holes for GoPro internal mics if you will not use external mics, so you can continue to use internal mics. And this cover can cover the lens and make the additional protection when you're not using the camera. And here on the bottom, just standard mount, which use, for example, this one for shorty, and if you put it like here, you still have some vlogging set. Also, as we have two cold shoes, let's try to put some additional accessory. I will probably put the microphone here on the side, yes, and we'll use the light. I have also some portable LED light from the same manufacturer. I have the unboxing video on the channel. It's not so expensive and it makes quite good light. So just put it here, mount, yes. And we have this kind of vlogging set. Yeah, it looks pretty futuristic. Pretty overloaded, but anyway, if you will need to film on GoPro something in the dark and you will need an additional light, and outside in windy conditions, as you probably know, the GoPro internal mics are not so quite good in windy conditions, so to make your sound, especially voice, more clear, you probably need to use external mic. So this type of shotgun, or you just can buy some wireless mic and connect here. Yeah, looks pretty good. But now unfortunately I cannot test this setup right now because the GoPro HERO9 Black in the current firmware doesn't support the Video Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. That the GoPro gotta fix this in the future updates soon, as they promised, and we will gonna wait until that, and maybe just afterwards we'll test how this setup works outside. But until then, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.